Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check the country of an Instagram account. But before I begin with this video, I can offer Shopify for only $1. So if you want that, click the link in the description. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Instagram account. And then you just want to go to your feed. So these are some of the accounts I follow, but if we were to scroll, so as you can see, this is a suggested one. I would click on its name, and then click on top right, and then about this account. And as you can see, this account is based in Thailand. But if we were to take a look at some other, so for example, let's say this one, same strategy. This one is from the Philippines. So as you can see, a pattern is being kind of made. If you take a look at this account, it's in Brazil. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.